Have you ever wondered about the massive role Exxon Mobil plays in the oil and gas industry? Just imagine our world without the energy and chemical products that power our daily lives, drive our economies, and make modern life possible. That's where the oil and gas industry comes in, a multi-trillion-dollar industry that literally keeps our world running. At the heart of this industry, like a pulsing engine, is Exxon Mobil. Spanning continents, this international behemoth is engaged in the exploration and production of crude oil and natural gas. From fuels, catalysts, and licensing services to the manufacturing and marketing of petrochemicals, Exxon Mobil's influence is vast and varied. But it's not just about what Exxon Mobil does today. It's also about how they're gearing up for the future. The company is actively pursuing lower-emission business opportunities like carbon capture and storage, hydrogen, and lower-emission fuels, proving that they're not just a key player, but a forward-thinking leader in the industry. So what makes Exxon Mobil tick? How did it evolve into the powerhouse it is today? And what's next on the horizon? Let's delve deep into the history of Exxon Mobil to understand its evolution. Exxon Mobil, an international powerhouse, had humble beginnings in the year 1870. So let's take a step back in time, shall we? To the age of horse-drawn carriages and gas lamps, when John D. Rockefeller and his associates formed the Standard Oil Company. This marked the dawn of what would later become Exxon Mobil Corporation. Standard Oil grew rapidly, dominating the oil industry by the late 19th century. However, the enormous size and monopolistic practices of the company led to its breakup in 1911, resulting in the formation of several independent entities. Among these were Standard Oil of New Jersey and Standard Oil of New York, the precursors to Exxon and Mobil respectively. Fast forward a few decades and these two offshoots found themselves at the forefront of the oil industry, each with its own successes and milestones. Exxon, for instance, was a pioneer in catalytic cracking, a process that significantly increased gasoline yield from crude oil. Mobil, on the other hand, was known for its long-lasting lubricants and its ventures into the world of retail gasoline. It wasn't until 1999 that these two industry giants decided to join forces, forming the Exxon Mobil Corporation we know today. The merger was a strategic move, aimed at enhancing their ability to compete in an increasingly global and complex energy market. Over the years, Exxon Mobil has continued to expand its operations, delving into various aspects of the energy sector. Today, the company is involved in everything from the exploration and production of crude oil and natural gas, to the manufacturing and marketing of petrochemicals and other specialty products. In recent years, Exxon Mobil has also made strides towards more sustainable practices, pursuing lower-emission business opportunities such as carbon capture and storage, hydrogen, and lower-emission fuels. This reflects the company's commitment to addressing the global energy challenge while minimizing environmental impact. Now that we know how Exxon Mobil came to be, let's take a look at their wide range of products. Exxon Mobil's operations are not limited to just oil and gas. They've branched out, creating a diverse portfolio that spans across four major segments. First, there's the upstream segment, which is all about exploration and production. This is where Exxon Mobil seeks out new sources of crude oil and natural gas, then extracts these valuable resources from the earth. Next, we have the energy products segment. This is where Exxon Mobil refines crude oil into fuels and develops other energy products. Here they also work on catalysts to speed up chemical reactions and offer licensing services for their patented technologies. Then there's the chemical products segment. This is where Exxon Mobil flexes its chemistry muscles, manufacturing and marketing petrochemicals. These include olefins, polyolefins, and intermediates, which are essential components in a range of everyday products. Finally, we arrive at the specialty products segment. Here, Exxon Mobil produces performance products like lubricants, base stocks, waxes, synthetics, elastomers, and resins. These specialty products are designed to help machines operate more efficiently and effectively. With such diverse offerings, Exxon Mobil has made a significant impact on the world's economy. Let's now examine their financial situation. Exxon Mobil's financial performance is a mirror to its global influence. As we delve into the numbers, we can see a company that has weathered industry storms and continues to hold its own in the global market. Exxon Mobil boasts a market capitalization of roughly $395 billion. An impressive figure that testifies to its significant presence in the industry. This, coupled with an enterprise value of around $407 billion, paints a picture of a company that is both stable and influential. In terms of shares, there are about 4 billion outstanding, with a slight decrease of approximately 4% over the past year. This suggests a steady, albeit slightly declining, investor interest. The company's stock performance is a crucial aspect of its financial health. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock price has decreased by about 10%, reflecting the volatile market conditions and the challenges faced by the oil and gas industry. Yet the company maintains an attractive annual dividend of $3.80, offering a dividend yield of around 3.85%, a potential draw for income-focused investors. Let's not forget the revenue, the lifeblood of any business. Over the last 12 months, Exxon Mobil's revenue was an impressive $355 billion, with profits amounting to around $41 billion. This represents an earnings per share of about $10.07, indicating a strong profitability ratio. The company's balance sheet tells us more about its financial stability. Exxon Mobil has roughly $33 billion in cash and about $41 billion in debt, resulting in a net cash position of negative $8 billion. This suggests a need to manage debt levels more effectively, a common challenge in capital-intensive industries like oil and gas. Looking ahead, the next earnings date is set for February 2, 2024, a date that investors will be eyeing with anticipation. While financial performance is crucial, it's also important to understand a company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So, let's delve into Exxon Mobil's SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis can provide a comprehensive view of a company's strategic position. So, let's dive into Exxon Mobil's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Starting with strengths, Exxon Mobil, founded in 1870, is a seasoned player in the oil and gas industry. Their extensive experience and global presence give them a robust foundation. Their diverse product range, from crude oil to petrochemicals, allows them to navigate market fluctuations with dexterity and resilience. Exxon Mobil's strong financial performance, as evidenced by their substantial revenue and profits, testifies to their solid market influence. However, no company is without its weaknesses. Exxon Mobil's substantial debt, although manageable, could pose challenges in volatile market conditions. Their dependence on fossil fuels, while currently profitable, may become a liability as the world shifts towards renewable energy sources. This brings us to opportunities. The growing global focus on clean energy presents Exxon Mobil with a chance to innovate and diversify. They have already commenced exploring lower-emission business opportunities, including carbon capture and storage, hydrogen, and lower-emission fuels. If pursued aggressively, these initiatives could significantly enhance Exxon's future prospects. Lastly, we consider the threats. Regulatory changes and environmental concerns can pose significant challenges to Exxon Mobil's operations. The volatile nature of oil prices and geopolitical risks are other factors that could potentially disrupt their business. A clear understanding of SWOT analysis leads us to appreciate Exxon Mobil's vision and mission. Exxon Mobil's vision and mission underline its commitment to innovation and sustainability. As a global power in the oil and gas industry, Exxon Mobil's vision is to be the world's premier petroleum and petrochemical company. This vision is rooted in their commitment to meet the world's growing demand for energy in economically, environmentally, and socially responsible ways. Their mission, on the other hand, is to create value for shareholders, customers, and employees, while also maintaining a focus on safety and environmental stewardship. This mission is a testament to their commitment to operational excellence, superior financial performance, and disciplined capital investment. Innovation is at the heart of Exxon Mobil's strategy. They are pioneering technologies to extract oil and gas more efficiently, and are also exploring lower-emission business opportunities. Carbon capture and storage, hydrogen, and lower-emission fuels are just a few examples of their forward-thinking approach. Sustainability, too, is a key pillar of their operations. Exxon Mobil understands that their responsibility goes beyond energy production. They are committed to protecting the environment, ensuring safety at their operations, and creating a positive impact on the communities where they operate. This commitment to their vision and mission, coupled with their innovative and sustainable approach, has made Exxon Mobil a key player in the global oil and gas industry. It's this dedication that drives the company forward, shaping the future of energy and delivering value to all their stakeholders. Exxon Mobil's commitment to its vision and mission has made it a key player in the global oil and gas industry.